Well, hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Rafi Sheikh, or in this video, I will tell you how to download the Avengers Endgame and many other movies. So let's come to PC. Friends, look at that. I will show you how to download Avengers Endgame. Look at that. Friends, as you all see that I have, there is open my browser, and you can see that you will open your browser where you have to write www.watchonlinemovies watchonlinemovies.com. This is the website. Friends, there is your www.movies4.com.pk. You have to open this website. Look at it, it is opening, and now you can see that my screen there are many options. Friends, you have to avoid other ads and movies, so there you have to search Avengers and game. Enter. As you all see that if you want to download in Hindi dub, you can download, and if you want to download in English, you can also download. So we will open this, and as you all see that Avengers Endgame portal has opened, so you have to scroll down. Friends, these are many other ads opening. You have to avoid these ads. Look at that, these are the 4 websites. You have to go to there, and you have to click on the link number 1. You can also watch online through this, but in order to, friend, these are many other ads opening. You have to avoid these ads and look at it, and just hold a second. Friends, this website is not too much secure, that's why you should avoid any other ad or any other tab is opening before you. So you have to little bit scroll down. So just hold a second. And this way you have to click on these links. Just look at it, these are the links, and you have to click on the link number 1 or link 2, whether which link you want. And this is opening, and download normal quality. You have to click on the normal quality for download it. And friends, you keep in mind that other ads should not be opened, that you have to cut these ads. This is their normal quality. Again click, you have to click that other website should not be opened. It will show you download. Look at that, now there is direct download link. You file size is 943.4 MB. You have to click on the direct download link, and it will ask you where do you want to save. I want to save in local E, and I want to see save in local E. Save, and as you show that it consists of 943 MB. It is getting download here below the bar, as you all see that. So you can download free from this website. You haven't to pay a single penny, just like in Netflix or any other website. This website is fully free, but try keep in mind that other ads should not be opened while downloading this, and you have to download it. And that's all.